What?
I gotta be very careful with this blade around this line. Everything's been swept off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you just want to resweep it, I can get you the boom.
No, it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this one okay, or is that pajamas?
No, that's fine.
I like the way it smells.
It does smell good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Then when the pool is wet.
That's real.
Oh, yeah, the pool's ready, yeah.
Let's see. There's no directions for the pool.
There's no directions?
No.
Dad, how do you even know how to do that stuff?
Huh?
How do you even know how to do that stuff? I don't know how.
There's no directions.
No directions?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to just figure it out.
Yeah, see it?
That's way off. That's
Yeah, that's,
So this side needs to,
yeah, the front needs to come up.
and I might have to raise that too.
Yeah. See how far off that is? That's like,
I'm surprised the contractors allowed that.
well, they just throw them in and then they're done. And the problem is that it can damage the unit being
With it being
on
a,
level like that, yeah. Just throw it underneath there as far as you get it in. Oops. Let's push it over that way. Okay. See, now it's perfectly level. Let's tap it in more till it reaches me. It's a Roomba for your pool. You know what I need? The brushes. They're up in the cabinet
What is that little hook thing?
above the microwave.
Oh.
The sand.
And then when you pull it back out, you empty it?
I think so.
I guess so.
It's the first time using it, but hopefully it works. It'll sink.
And figure out.
Oh, you know what?
Huh?
I think I gotta turn it on first.
Daddy, I almost fell down there.
Yeah.
Dad.
Yeah.
Very
And then push
good.
that button on the bottom. I think you push that button.
Oh, okay. Oh, there it goes.
Does it move around?
Yeah, it's moving backwards.
Backing
I
up?
knows it got stuck.